If your hair is not growing, if it is breaking, thinning, dry, or damaging hair, stop scrolling now, because today I mix flaxseed, hibiscus, honey, vitamin E oil, and my powerful infusion oil inside my normal shampoo. And this mixture change everything. This is not just a shampoo anymore. This is the hair growing treatment. If you want faster hair growth, thicker hair, shining, and zero breaking hair, watch this video to the end, because I believe that this shampoo is going to change everything for your hair growing journey. Trust me. So now let's start the video. But before that, you know what to do. I have my So now guys, I mentioned my flaxseed. I take 1 cup of flaxseed. So now I'm going to put it inside my pot and add my water inside. So while I'm adding this into putting it into my pot, let's check and see the benefit of flaxseed. Flaxseed is deep moisturizing hair, and also it's defending curly hair. It's also making hair soft and slippery. It's preventing hair from breaking and adding shiny, natural shine. So now I'm adding hot water into my flaxseed because I just want it to boil fast. I have so many things to do. Anyway, so after that, flaxseed also is packed with omega-3 fatty acid, which is very good and is very important for our hair growing journey. So when you are growing your hair, these are the things that are very important for you to add into your hair. So now I'm adding my hibiscus. Hibiscus also is stopping hair falling and making hair growing faster. That's why I say if you are looking for faster hair and repairing if you have damaging hair, this shampoo is for you. Hibiscus is also repairing damaging hair. Okay, if your hair is damaged or breaking, you are using hibiscus is going to help you. Hibiscus also is making hair to grow thicker and dark when you are using hibiscus. Like for example, if you have gray hair in your hair and you are using hibiscus, consistency is going to make your hair darker. It's going to make your hair dark. So hibiscus is very powerful. Hibiscus, it's also adding shining and soft to your hair, so while using it. So these ingredients are very powerful. And you know what I'm going to do with you? You need to stay tuned and watch this video to the end, because I know it's very important for you, also for your hair, for your children. So it's very important for you to watch. So now after boil so this is the way that you need to strain your flaxseed. When you just boil it while it's still making like frying like a boiling waste, just pour it inside and strain it. Don't waste time, because if you waste time when it gets cold, it's finding difficult to strain it. That's not the best way. So while you are boiling your flaxseed, always be on your fire. Don't go away from the fire, because you can see the down part is not burnt. Don't let the flaxseed to stick under your pot, otherwise you will burn all the nutrients. So now I pour the flaxseed and my hibiscus inside here. That one also I'm going to use it for hair mask for my child, because her opening days, guys, I'll be opening her hair very soon. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to open her hair. So I'm doing all this preparation. I'm making all this preparation for my daughter hair opening day. So now you can watch it and you also learn how you can make this thing. It's very easy to make it, and it's very important for our children, when you are going to use it for your child. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some part of it, because while tomorrow I'm going to open her hair, I will use some to make pre-pull, and the remaining also I'm going to leave it and use it to make leave-in conditioner one of the days. But we still have a little bit, but I will use it also for leave-in conditioner. So you need to stay tuned. And also please, if you know that you haven't subscribed to our channel, you watch it up to this point, you know what to do, guys. You know the best thing what you can do to make me more happy, to make me bring more benefit and more things that we can do to protect our hair and protect our children's hair. So now the next thing that I'm adding into my flaxseed and hibiscus is my normally Shampoo. This shampoo, you don't need to look for the same type of shampoo. Any shampoo that you get, you can use it and mix with, you know, so far you get your flaxseed gel and your hibiscus. Any shampoo you can use. Can you even use black soap to make this shampoo, because it's very powerful. It's very powerful. You can use black soap. So guys, what I'm holding right now is my pineapple and avocado seed and avocado peel infusing oil. You can see I infuse it for full gallon, 1 liter bottle that I infuse it, because it's it's very powerful. So I infuse this oil with pineapple leaf and my avocado peel and avocado seed. So I added 2 tablespoons of it inside of my shampoo. Okay, let's check and see my infusing oil, the one I infused with avocado peel, avocado seed plus pineapple leaf. That infusing oil, I put 2 tablespoons. The benefit of it, right now I'm putting one and half tablespoon honey into my shampoo also. So that oil also is deep scalp nourishment, is strengthening weak roof, and also boosting faster hair growth and repairing slip ends. If your hair, the ends is breaking, is not stable, you are using that oil, it's going to solve your problem. It's also making hair thicker and strong. So it's very powerful. That oil is very powerful. So now I added honey. So I'm adding my vitamin E oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Maybe someone can say you can add some few drop. No, I'm not adding few drop. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil inside. So the honey also is natural. It's also natural moisturizing, boosting hair and stopping dryness and dandruff. It's also making hair smooth and shining, also repairing damaging strands. So those honey also is not something that, guys, you should use it and joke. It's not something that you should use and joke. It's very powerful. So let's check and see vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is repairing breaking hair, improving black flows to the scalp, making hair growing fast and adding shining and smoothness. It's also protecting hair from damaging. So vitamin E oil is also very powerful. So while you are using it, you are going to, especially if your hair is you're having damaging hair, so that oil, this shampoo is very powerful. It's not normal shampoo again. This is a hair treatment shampoo. Please, my people, but this shampoo is not for everyday using shampoo. You can only use this one once in a week. Okay, use it once in a week for the best result. Okay, please, if you watch it up to this point, comment the comments below. Yes, I love natural hair. Yes, I will try it, so that I will know that you love natural hair. You watch it up to this point, and don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe, like, and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Now you can see my everything is set. As soon as possible, you will see the princess hair. I'll show it to you guys, maybe let's say tomorrow, but the live video will come before I post this one, that one there for sure. Now you can see my oil. That is my powerful oil I infuse. Please watch that video. I love you all. Bye bye.